Welcome back to the Jungle Crew, like Yakris the Terminator here.
And I am Spikezill Productions, and today we are taking a speculative evolutionary look at the Ropen and the Van Meter Visitor.
After the KPG extinction event, pteranodons were one of the few creatures that survived it, eventually separating the two unique body types. A pteranodon-like body with a long tail and teeth in their beaks, and a horned pterosaur.
In Papua New Guinea, the Ropen evolved from pteranodon. They came to the archipelago after the meteorite struck. As time went on, for about 10,000 years after the extinction event, the pteranodons gained new features due to their new tropical home.
The features that pteranodon gained were the loss of hair-like filaments on their necks and bodies, a beak full of needle-like teeth, which are used for hunting, a bioluminescent glow which ranges from red to yellow to orange to blue to green, which is used to attract fish underwater and at night for mating rituals, and a long thin tail similar to rhamphorhynchoid pterosaurs, which is theorized that the tail was used for counterbalance for the head.
Meanwhile, some semi-evolved pterosaurs returned to America and evolved in slightly differently. These changes were a shorter tail similar to their ancestors, an armored head, teeth in the beaks, a bioluminescent horn between the eyes, and the ability to produce an odor which is used as a defense mechanism.
Despite these creatures not being known to science, we've come up with scientific names for these creatures. The Ropen has the name Pteranodon nuguineus or Pteranodon guineus, and the Van Meter visitor is Pteranodon vanmetris.
Now on to eating habits. The Ropen are hunters and scavengers. That means they eat dead things. Ropen hunt by stalking their prey before flying down and skewering the animal or human, and will occasionally go into graveyards to eat recently buried human bodies to eat.
The Van Meter visitor is another thing, as their feeding habits are basically unknown, but we can assume it's similar to Ropens. However, we can also assume it might be similar to bats when they're hunting, as they might be going after birds instead of insects.
Now time to talk about the ecosystems. The Ropen ecosystem is a tropical island, which could be the reason why it lost the fur-like structures on the body. The creatures live in the volcanoes on the island during the day and will come out at night to hunt, though they have been seen during the day where they will hunt small animals and or humans.
Meanwhile, the Van Meter visitor lives in caves near the small town of Van Meter. They are speculated to stay in the cave systems until night, where they come out hunting for animals or even possibly humans. However, there's not much known about this creature.
Some skeptics believe that the creatures are nothing more than bats.
Some have also said that the Van Meter visitor was or is a demon, despite looking like a known creature from the fossil record.
Creationists like to use the Ropen as a way to spread their religion, though it's highly debated if this actually has worked.
Other creatures that are said to be pterosaurs are Kangamato, wyverns, kor, roc, ziz, Namibian flying snake, and a thunderbird, which will all get their own videos at some point.